Hi, Larry here again at Chesapeake RV Solutions. Part 3 of our conversation with Frank, our business manager. This happens to be on the exterior treatment that we do and the interior fabric treatment that we do as well. And Frank, so what's going on with this stuff? First the outside.
Okay, so we'll start with the outside, Larry. I know you have it on yours.
I do.
Tim has it on his, and guess what? I have it on mine.
Makes it about 50% of the time, amount of time to clean it for one. That's what I like.
That's a big plus. But not only that, Larry, it also adds value to your unit.
Okay.
So, as you notice, probably years you've been doing this a long time.
Right.
The older units that don't have it, you notice they faded.
Fade, yeah.
Guess what happens to that? Your trade value goes down. When something
yeah.
doesn't look good, people don't want to buy it.
It's hard to sell.
It is hard to sell. It's hard to overcome that because they think something's wrong with the RV.
Right.
Literally, it's just paint faded. It's not really wrong with it.
Most of them sit there and park somewhere for most of the
and
year.
Bacon on them.
Yeah.
So the beauty of the paint protection, it actually puts a barrier on the outside of your unit. Almost like the way these guys are doing ceramic coating on cars now.
Okay.
So it's a polymeric coating that actually, once you put it on there, it's very hard for anything to stick to it.
Oh wow.
So that's why your cleaning is cut in half.
Okay.
Because really, you just hit it with a hose or rain does it.
Right.
I mean, 9 times out of 10, very rarely you gotta get soap and water out there to get a stain off.
So it takes care of the bird poop and
That's
all
a good
that.
one, yeah, because birds, they eat berries, so they have acid. And
Right.
acid is damaging to clear coats and gel coats,
Okay.
so it can eat through it. So this is where that barrier comes in. If for some reason it was to go through it, we would send it back to us and we would put a claim in.
Oh.
And that way,
So it's warranty.
oh yeah, you got 5 years of coverage on this.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so if you see something that you can't get off that RV,
Right.
bring it in, let us reevaluate it,
Yeah.
then we'll send in a claim.
Okay.
9 times out of 10, you should be covered.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so it's really nice stuff. I would recommend it.
One thing that I always notice when you use campers, my camper as well, I mean, the underneath of the awning actually gets a little moldy, things like that.
That's another one there.
Yeah.
So the good thing with that, we have a treatment. It works on our inside. Also, we use it on the awning.
Oh.
So we will actually pull your awning out. We will do it, spray it underneath, and then we spray on top of it.
Wow.
So you'll get 5 years of protection on your awning also.
Oh wow.
So that'll help you with that mildew.
Okay.
A lot of us keep it rolled up.
Yeah.
And when you roll it out, next thing you know, you got algae up there.
Yeah.
Boy, that's a pain. Plus it doesn't look good.
Right.
So yeah, that's also the beauty. That's kind of the stage of doing the inside. When we roll the awning out, we
Right.
kind of do it the same.
So you were saying something about how it lasts for 5 years.
Yes.
Is this the exterior, the interior the same way?
Same plan, yes sir.
So,
but 2 different processes.
but it's not something that me as a customer has to bring back every year
No,
like
that's
the other
the
dealerships?
beauty of this. Nobody wants to do that.
No.
Nobody's got time. That's a pain. So this is all one and done.
It does last for 5 years.
5 years.
You don't have to bring it back
From
to
the
retreat,
day we apply it, 5 years from that date.
and it's under warranty.
Under warranty. You sign a contract, you have a contract number, and I
Okay.
submit it in.
So as far as the interior, now that's more of a microbial spray that we do in there.
You are correct. The guy, I tell the people that it's kind of like watching Ghostbusters, the way the guy suits up.
Wow.
He's got a little backpack thing on. And basically, we like to do this before you have any of your stuff in there.
Right?
Because we want to get inside your cabinets. We want to open your
Every
refrigerator
nook and
doors.
cranny.
We want to do the gaskets of your refrigerator doors.
Oh wow.
Because what it does, Larry, it's kind of the same as the outside, but a little different because it has this active all through the air for 5 years. It's going to kill germs.
So we just do it, the ventilation and all that?
So what we'll do is we'll take your air ducts, we'll pull it down, we'll spray in there, we'll run your heat and AC for 30 minutes. So while that's running, the guys in there doing the rest of your RV. And
Right.
another beauty of it too, Larry, if you spill something on your couch or your floor and you can't get it up,
How about, God forbid I get sick on the couch or
That
something like
happens.
that?
I mean, come on, dogs do it all the time.
Okay.
So if you cannot get it up with your common soap and water or whatever you use,
Right.
bring it in. Let's do a claim. We'll
Okay.
submit it.
Wow.
Because according to the company, if we can't get it out, we'll replace it.
So just the synopsis, that's the interior exterior treatment.
Correct.
5 years.
5 years.
You don't have to bring it back unless
One
you have an
time.
issue.
One and done, buddy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, that's
Beautiful. Yeah.
Cool. All right.
Nice stuff.